Hello, in this lab we will install and configure UFW firewall in Linux. I highlighted 4 steps, 4 easy steps. In first step we will install UFW firewall. In second step we will launch and we will add UFW to start up. In second step we allow everything for specific host by IP. In first step we will look at what we have. For this lab you need computer or laptop with more than 4 GB of memory, VirtualBox or VMware workstation, and Debian virtual machine installed in it. Okay, let's check UFW firewall is installed. Let's type UFW firewall is not installed. Let's install this firewall. Let's apt-get install UFW status is inactive. Let's enable this firewall. Enable. Press Y. All is active. Let's show us status. Active. Let's allow everything from my IP address. My IP address is 0.39. UFW allow from 09. Let's look at rulers. Chain status. As you can see, to anywhere ports, action allow, and my IP address. This lab is easy. This firewall is easy. See you in next video. We explore this firewall more deeply. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.